Good Friday, everyone. We've made it to the end of the week, and I'm sure you're wondering what that weekend forecast is looking like, and we'll get to that in just a moment. But first, happy Friday the 13th. The Friday Funny today is from The Office. It's a great quote. I'm not superstitious, but I am a little stitious. Looking at today's USA Mortgage level of concern, level 0 for our Friday the 13th. We have no weather worries today. Now, I don't know about anything else, but in the weather department, we have no weather worries. Premier Generators brings us our winter weather threat level and not looking at any wintry precipitation from now till Tuesday. We are in a very active pattern, and we're going to be in this pattern for some time, probably right on through the end of the month. But at least for the next 5 days, I don't see any wintry precipitation, nor do I see any severe thunderstorms. So that's good because I think there will be some severe thunderstorms across portions of the south with this active pattern, but I don't think they'll make it this far north. As always, I'll keep an eye on everything. Things can change quickly this time of the year, so I'll always keep a really close eye on things for you. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. We're looking at partly cloudy skies today. Yesterday I was a little bit surprised with the mostly sunny. The clouds didn't move in until later in the day, and that was nice. Yesterday was just an absolutely beautiful day. A little chilly, but it was nice. Today will be a little bit warmer. Highs in the upper 40s to around 50, and only dropping into the low 30s again tonight. Now Saturday, winds start to pick up, and then we start to see a chance of showers in the afternoon. And that rain chance for the afternoon hours is 30%, but that jumps up to near 100% Saturday night. After sunset is when things really start to get wet around here. So highs in the low 50s. It's going to be windy. There's going to be some showers around. Keep this in mind if you're going to any of the Christmas parades around the area Saturday evenings. So you might want to take a rain jacket and be prepared for some wind. And if you've got a float, make sure it's ready to handle some gusty winds and the potential for some rain. Now Sunday, wind gusts at 30 miles an hour, rain likely throughout the day, highs in the low 50s though. And then Monday, wind gusts to 30 miles an hour with just a chance for showers. I think we'll have a couple of showers in the morning. Much of the day looks okay, just warm and windy, very warm and windy. Look at that warmth at 57, and I might have been a little low on that. If we can get some peaks of sun, we might get to 60. But the bulk of the rain, again, like with Saturday, will hold off till after sunset, it looks like. And then Tuesday, morning rain. And then the rest of the day looks good. So if you have something to do on Tuesday, put it off if you can from the morning hours, because the rest of the day looks fine. And I'll keep fine tuning this forecast. Like I said, we're in a very active pattern, so things can change. But you will notice that anytime we've got precipitation, temperatures are nowhere near freezing. That's why we're not expecting any wintry precipitation over the next 5 days. And things just aren't quite lining up just right for a severe thunderstorm either. But we could hear a rumble of thunder Saturday night or even Monday night. But again, not looking for severe thunderstorms. On this day, 1962, the high in Crossville was 7. The morning low was 17 degrees below zero. The average temperature that day was 5 below zero. And on that same day, yeah, it's cold here. It was cold everywhere. A severe Florida freeze occurred. It got down to 35 degrees at Miami, 18 at Tampa, 12 at Jacksonville. It was the coldest December weather of the 20th century. Millions of dollars of damage to crops and foliage. In Georgia, the morning low of 9 degrees below zero at Blairsville established a state record for the month of December. Woo! I don't want any part of that. I don't like that kind of cold air. 2010, 7 inches of snow fell in Crossville. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see. M&M's Meteorology. Sexsalutin. Following the parade of the guilds, we're now in Switzerland. We're doing Snowman of the World this week, right? The climax of the Sexsalutin holiday in Zurich, Switzerland. This is the climax of this holiday, is blowing up the figure of a snowman whose head is packed with explosives, normally dynamite. Popular tradition has it that the time between the lighting of the pyre and the explosion of the bog's head is indicative of the coming summer. A quick explosion promises a warm, sunny summer. A drawn-out burning indicates a cold and rainy one. And all of these, no matter what happens, is great entertainment, I'm sure. And we thought our groundhog was weird. Anyway, you folks have a wonderful Friday the 13th and keep looking up. For more weather information to keep up with all this crazy plateau weather and my craziness on here, don't forget the Meteorologist Mark app and meteorologistmark.com.